Childproofing your home is a crucial step in creating a safe environment for children. Here are some tips for childproofing your home. Start by anchoring heavy items such as bookshelves or dressers. Hardware-mounted options are generally more secure than non-drill options. Outlets and electrical cords can be another safety hazard for children. Invest in outlet covers and use cord shorteners or covers to keep cords out of reach. Hardwood floors and stairs are major zones for slips and falls. Use anti-slip mats under area rugs to prevent sliding and install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs. Add locks to kitchen cabinets and install stove guards to prevent access to dangerous items and surfaces. Put medications away in a high, locked cabinet. Use foam or silicone bumpers on sharp furniture corners and install window guards to minimize injuries from possible falls. While DIY childproofing can be sufficient, look into professional assistance if needed, as they can identify hidden hazards you might miss. Keeping kids safe is a top priority, and that starts in the home. Visit our website to learn more.